Hi, this is Carlos Cousins, and the following problem solving and data analysis question is going to require a lot of unit conversion here. So we have to keep constant track of which units we're being asked about and which units we know anything about. So we're given the conversion rates over here, and then we are given the problem. So let's go ahead and read this together. Usain Bolt holds a world record for the men's 200-meter sprint. And forgive me, Usain, if you're watching this and I mispronounced your name, which he ran in 19.19 seconds in 2009. So we have a rate here of 200 meters for 19.19 seconds for his record. That's a very good rate. Using the relationship in the box above, what is his approximate average speed in miles per hour for that race? Okay, so the big deal actually is not going to be the average speed as much because we're going to just be dividing, but the fact that we're using miles and hours instead of meters and seconds. So we're going to have to convert each of these. So let's go ahead and do this one by one. Let's go ahead and start with converting the meters to miles. So we have 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. And then 1 kilometer also equals 0.62 miles. So since we know this is 1,000 meters, let's just go ahead and substitute this for 1,000 meters. That's hopefully something that you knew before, but it's not a big deal. So they're giving it to you. 1,000 meters over 0.62 miles is the rate that we have. And we want to figure out how many miles is going to be for 200 meters. Notice that I kept the meters all in the numerator and the miles on the denominator. This must be the case across these rates when you set them equal to each other. Same units in the numerator, same units in the denominator. Okay, great. So to figure out the number of miles, then we can just cross multiply. So 0.62 times 200 should give you 124, and then divide across the remaining numbers. So 124 divided by 1,000, it's going to be 0.124 miles. That's how much he ran. All right, that's great. And we know that this was done over 19.19 seconds. Now the problem is we want this in hours. So, and they don't give you any conversions here, but you know, there are 60 seconds in a minute and 60 minutes in an hour. So 60 seconds is going to give you, well, sorry, so we've got 19.19 seconds. We're going to have to multiply this by 60 times 60 in order to get the number of hours, since there are 60 times 60 or 3,600 seconds in 1 hour. There we go. So we can cross out the seconds part here and then just multiply across. I'm going to, sorry about this, I'm just going to go ahead and continue this part down here just because I'm running out of space up top. And that's going to give us something like 446.4 miles over 19.19 hours now. So this is a great rate. We're getting very close. The problem is we want this in miles per a single hour. So all we have to do here is just divide. So 446.4 divided by 19.19 is going to evaluate to something like 23.26 miles over 1 hour. And we're looking here for an approximate average speed. So that's likely going to be 23, which is answer choice C. I hope that helped with this problem, and happy prepping.